Yes.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'm sharing the screen now.
Yeah. So till yesterday class, anyone have any doubt? Has anyone tried again creating that account?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. From today, what we will do now, I will be giving few images by end of the class. So that what you have to do is like you have to post these images on your landing pages. Okay, whether if you are using Instagram, post that in that, or in Facebook, post that image in that. Okay, now we'll create a campaign which will promote that image. Okay, so that we'll get more clarity. Okay. So what do you mean by day party?
Day parting is splitting up the days, in which time you want to promote, from when to when, start date and end date.
Started and it is campaign.
No. Start time and end time on
Yeah, start
weekdays.
time and time. That is yeah. On which day you want to show your ad to the users. So this is called as ad scheduling. So when you want to show your ad, is called as ad scheduling. That is also called as day party.
Day parting, yes.
Next, you can go to the next one.
We have finished this yesterday, sir.
Yeah, till here we finish. So till here, anyone has any doubt? Do any have one have any doubt here? Okay, go ahead with next. Calm down. So go up once, languages. Show them the languages now. What all languages are there? So whatever languages are here, that is only you can create an ad for that languages. If you are creating any ad related to languages which is not there, that ad will not get approved. The reason is it is an unsupported language. For example, can you see here Oriya?
Korea?
Yeah. Type O on top, not Korea, Oriya. Odisha. So it is not there. Okay, if you want to promote any content related to Oriya content, right? You can't do that. Are you getting that? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Whichever languages are there, those languages are only supported here. So you have to make sure which language ad you are creating or not. Okay. Come now. Just now you are seeing audience segment. Can you click on that audience manager in that?
Do you want me to click it, sir?
Yeah. No. Just click on it. You are opening another tab. No? Just click on it. Come down. Still come down. Okay. Audience segment. And the question mark, go on the question mark. Click on it. Can someone read that? Not Shruti, other one. Anyone can read it.
Audiences are groups of people with specific interests, intents, and demographics as estimated by Google. They are people you can show your ads to. Data from your audience sources may be used to improve the bidding and
Yes. What do you understand by this?
targeting of your audience campaign.
So actually I already said what do you mean by audience. Do you even remember that? Anyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you again. Audiences are a group of people with specific interests, intent, and demographics as estimated by Google. These people you can show your ad to. Okay. That means like initially we said for male, female, children, old age, based on your age category, right? So whenever you're creating an account, so your account will be linked with your email ID. So that email ID, when you're creating that email ID, you will be giving your date of birth, right? Most of the time, people will give real email ID, real date of birth, or fake ID. Okay, but how Google will consider is like based on that email ID, it will consider are you above 18 or not. Okay, below than that, you can't even create it as per the policy. So now it will understand which type of audience you are looking. Either you want to target your ad to male or female or younger
A
people,
certain age group.
certain age group. Yes, which type of age group you want to do. So if you want to do that, you have to come to your audience segment. Whenever you want to target any ad, you should know what is your audience, which we have said already in the last class, right? Without knowing your audience, if you are doing any campaign, it is of no use. What happens here? If you are doing that, then you are wasting your budget. Okay, whatever amount you are having, when whatever amount you are spending, that will get wasted. So it's always best not to waste that amount. To understand that, you should show your ad to the likely minded people who really shows interest. Okay. Last time when we said, right, if I want to do a digital marketing class and if I want to promote my thing, for the digital marketing, I can't target people more than uh, 35 years or less than 18 years because less than 18 years, what happens? Students are still under studying, right? And more than 35 or 40, they don't show interest to learn on that. Okay, so my target is for degree students or BTech students who are in third year or fourth year. So what will be their age on an average?
21.
Yes. So what I do, I just keep it as 19 to 24. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is a likely right audience for me. It may be male or female, but my audience group is 19 to 21 or 19 to 24. Just the 5 years gap. Okay. Which will give good results. I can still keep from 18 also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now here you
Okay,
are
sir.
seeing the search and browse, right? Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just go to browse. Yeah. Here, this is very important. The reason is people ask questions mostly on audience segmentation. Okay. In first, you kept search, right? There you can search what type of audience you want. Okay. For example, if digital marketing class is related, I'll just give the keyword as digital marketing. Go to search once. Okay, click on that, type digital marketing. Wait, slowly. Actually, what happens here? This is already having a set of audiences. Okay, based on the campaigns going on, Google has bifurcated the audience under different sectors. Okay, so if you want such type of audience, immediately whatever you want, you can search here. So if you feel that it is apt to you, then you can proceed with that. So here it is showing us first in-market segmentation, email, sales and marketing. Come down. These are all right audience. Okay, if you select those people right, the chances of click rate will be high and conversion rate also will be high. Okay, just 1 second.
Sorry.
Social media is no problem. Come down little. Just SEO and SEM is there now. Wait. SEO and SEM. Just keep your mouse on that.
Do I need to select that, sir?
Yes, selecting. No need to select. Just mouse drag. Keep the mouse there. Now you can see here what type of people are there. People who influence purchasing. Okay, can you read that one?
People who influence purchasing decisions for services that provide search engine optimization or marketing.
Yeah. See here, people related to that are available here. Okay. So basically, what happens, right? On the below, you can see weekly impressions, right? So it will show how much of impressions you can deliver to those members. Now you can just keep your mouse on another segment. Yeah. Business and education. So you can see the details here. So how many people are there in this segmentation? How many impressions you can deliver, like that. So just to check each and every segment here and find, okay, if you feel that this segmentation is right for my advertising, you can do that.
Sir, just a
Okay.
second, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry for interrupting. It's showing estimates based on Australia, right? So, is there any option I can change that, or do I need to
You have to change it because I
download?
think initially when you're creating, right, you created Australia, selected Australia.
No, sir, India.
No, not here. Account, right? When you're
Yes,
creating the account
account.
itself, it was selected as Australia.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, because of the reason it is showing those audiences.
Okay,
So
sir.
for that, again, if you're changing the location, everything, right, you have to raise a ticket to support team asking to change that location.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here you will get what is the audience level and how much of people are there. Okay, whatever you want, which type of audience you want, you can search here. If not, you can go to on browse section. Go to browse one, tap, yeah, click on it. So people understood anything from here? అర్థమైంది ఏమైనా మీకు? మనకి ఎటువంటి ఆడియన్స్ కావాలన్నా మనం సెర్చ్ ఆప్షన్లోకి వెళ్ళి సెర్చ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో మీ బిజినెస్ ఏది ఉంటుందో ఆ బిజినెస్ సంబంధించిన ఆడియన్స్ మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అక్కడ. లేదు అనుకుంటే యూ షుడ్ గో టు బ్రౌజ్ సెక్షన్. ఓకే, వెన్ యూ గో టు బ్రౌజ్ సెక్షన్, దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బికాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ కమ్ హియర్. హూ దే ఆర్ ఉంది కదా శృతి, జస్ట్ బ్యాక్ చేయి, అక్కడ బ్యాక్ ఆర్ అవుతుంది, క్లిక్ చేయి. See, people will ask question related to this. Can you just tell me the advanced segmentations? Okay, ఇందులో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయంటే విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ యూ వాంట్ టు సెలెక్ట్ అని అడుగుతారు. సో వాట్ విల్ బి దట్ కేటగిరీ అంటే affinity, we'll call it as affinity. First one you see who they are, click on that. First one, demographics, who they are. See, are you want to target based on parental status or marital status or education status? Okay, and other both are there, right? Home ownership status and employment status. In India, mostly people will use parental status, marital status, or education. These two we don't use it, okay? Because in foreign countries, people will do that. Now just go to parental status and click on the drop down. No, click on it. No problem. Still click on the. See here, you can see what type of parents you want to target. Is it helpful or not? So you can
Yes, sir.
directly get what type of audience you want to select. So your ad will be shown only to these people, not to anyone else. Okay, most of the time. Now go
Why
to
there is
marital.
no option for parents of adults 18
Oh,
plus?
okay, good question. Come down, marital status, click on that. What is here? It is there, married, right?
Married. Yes.
Okay. Whichever was missing in this, those options, right? That will come under these sections. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Go up also. You'll have that age also. You'll go.
Uh,
Okay. It was not given here. Okay. The reason is like one thing you should understand. Any ad which you want to target, right? That will not be shown below age of 18. Okay. That is the reason they have bifurcated in this category.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And after that, if you see marital status based on that, you can keep on married. Okay. But again, I will show you a place where you can keep the age. Okay. What type of age? Okay. You want to show the
Okay,
ad.
sir.
That option is also already there. Okay. Come on now, education. Click on education. As yours is showing Australia, right? So mostly the options are coming from that universities, that location options. Now here, what type of audience I will select?
Bachelor's degree.
Yes, who are having
Or
bachelor's degree.
or secondary school leaver.
Secondary school means intermediate only, right?
They mostly don't want to pursue their bachelor's degree.
Okay. It depends on country to country and state to state. Okay. But here, what we will do for us, students of having degree students as well as BTech students are likely shown interest to join the classes, right? So I'll keep bachelor's as well as advanced degree. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ownership status means whether they purchased a new home or they're staying in rented homes. Okay. Home owners or renters. That is what we'll give. Employment. See here, yesterday I said you right, every option will be here. The only problem is like you have to explore those options. Explore the option. The narrow you go, the cost of your ad will increase, but the conversion rate will be high for those audiences. Rather than showing your ad to people who are not interested or people who don't show interest also, it's better to show to the right audience. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am getting only two people responses. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shirisha. Any doubts so far, Shirisha?
No, sir.
Okay. Shruti, now you can go there, who they are, and you can on the back button. Yeah, click on it. So now you understood, right? Who they are is the option where you can select what type of people you need it. And after that is what their interests and habits are. This is called as affinity interest. Click on that. Here you have all the segments. Okay. Go to education sector in this.
No
Okay.
option for that.
Option will be there. Technology.
This
Go
is
to technology.
interest. Okay.
Based on interest. For example, your content is interested, you are interested in different content, right? Based on that, this is segregated. If you're watching more sports channels, sports or fitness related thing, okay, those people can select this one. For me, it's mostly into technology. Okay. Social media enthusiasts or technologies. Both I can keep it. So as it is Australia, it is not showing that audience. Okay, actually it will show who people who are interested in education.
If you would like to share anyone's screen, that would be most helpful, sir.
No problem. People will not have that interest to share also. Okay, they don't want to learn. Actually, they have taken, but no one is putting that efforts to learn. Okay. It's not a issue thing. You can just go up. Okay, based on what type of business you are, you can give. For example, if you are want to run ads, okay, for your hotel, okay, you created an account, then you have to come here and you have to select food and dining. Okay, click on that. Under this, there are a lot of things are there. So which type of sector you want, you can still narrow it down. If you select what type of audience you want, you can still narrow it down. So your ads will be only shown to these category people, not to everyone. Okay. Affinity, people who show more interest on those particular categories. So will be clubbed under this. Okay, just select one or two categories here so that you'll understand again what all you selected. Beauty and wellness, you just go and select beauty and wellness. Drop down. What type of things? See, if you select on the top right, it will consider both the categories. If not, you have to uncheck the top one and you can select which one you need. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here, affinity audience segmentation was already added here as your audience. Okay, go back. Okay, you can add anything. Okay, who they are. Go to on top first one. You can select here also which type of category you need. Married people or parents. Okay. See on the right side, you can see what type of audience you are adding. Okay, affinity segmentation you are added to, and demographic wise you added to. Okay, go back. Next, the third one is what they are actively searching or planning. Okay, in market audience. So my assignment for today is like just try to understand what is affinity audience or in market audience. Go back. Here you are seeing the affinity audience, affinity people who show the habit, right? Just try to understand what is affinity audience and in market audience. Ali, make a point of it. Even in
Yes, sir, done.
okay, affinity audience and in market audience, and the same will be there also in Facebook also. Okay, even Facebook will show same thing, but the terminology is different over there. Okay, go to in market audience now. Click on in market. Now you just click on each and everything and see. Okay, people who really showing interest on this, who really want, just click on. You can see what type of is there.
It's like e-commerce.
No,
It's I mean, it has more depth of each and every service and product
yes,
in market, whereas affinity has only the interest they have.
yes, perfect. Anyone want to share anything? Anyone? Means in market means people are really searching for those categories. Okay, if people are searching for digital marketing classes, that will be segregated and kept in this ad groups. Okay, this data is very helpful when you want to see. Here you can see, right, education related things, what type of studies they want to are interested. Now what I do, I'll just come here to in market audience and I'll just select which type of people I need. That's it. Then my ad will be shown only to them, not to anyone. You can see how depth it is. Okay, the categorization is very clear here. So what type you need, you can come and you can just add in-market audience completely, and you can run your ad. You'll get good results. If you're using affinity audience and in-market audience, you'll get
Okay, sir.
good one. Just select education. Few things. Okay, we'll see. Primary or secondary.
Post-secondary education, sir.
Yeah. Go back. Select it.
It's kindergarten, middle
Kindergarten.
school, middle school.
Okay. Go back. So now you understood, right? Affinity audience, difference between affinity and in-market. Now the next option is how they have interacted with your business. Okay, this is a type of audience. Click on that. No, as of now, you are not having anything here. The reason is if someone has came to your website, okay, so those all people will be clubbed under this ad group. Okay, whoever is coming to your website, that will be clubbed under one bucket that will be there in this option. Previous one already predefined one are there, so you can see all type of segmentation, but here the segmentation is different. The thing is like once you start running your ads and people coming to your website or through any other source, either it's through paid marketing or any marketing, if people are coming to your website, then those people segmentation will be done here. Okay, so if you select these people, you get more chances of conversions. For example, how it happens. Now you are seeing one ad. Okay, some ad you have seen it. You clicked on that ad, and after that you went to the page, and after that you closed it. Right?
Bounce back.
Yeah, bounce back. You have done it. But after some time, wherever you go, you can see the same ad. Almost most of the websites.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The reason is they use this option for retargeting. Okay, so why they use for retargeting is like you are showing more interest on that, but you have not taken any action on that. So if you have to take action on that, that ad has to be shown to you. Okay, which is called as a recall factor. So
Recall.
recall factor, we call it as a recall factor. Okay, in Facebook it is different terminology, Google it is different terminology. It's
Okay,
actually
sir.
we call it as remarketing. The actual term everyone uses remarketing. So if you want to do remarketing, what type of audience you will select? That will be the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you
But
have, yeah,
sorry, sir. But there is no option of selecting our customers, right?
because you have not run that ads, no? No one has interacted to your website as of now.
Yes.
Once.
So after interacting, after posting my ad, and if anyone interact with me, or if anyone open my website, this ad will automatically show to them until my ad runs, right? Hello, sir.
Yes. Can you repeat it again?
Okay. So after posting this ad, there'll be certain people who comes to my ad and come to my website and
Yes.
bounce back. So with this option, they all IDs or anything, their personal information will be in this thing, and it will automatically show my ad to them until my ad runs, and it will retarget again those audiences whenever I'm creating next ad. Is that what you mean?
To some extent, it is correct. Okay. The thing is like this is a type of audience where people have reacted to your ad. Okay. So when they have reacted to your ad, what happens? People have gone. But when you're saying, right, information related to personal information,
Yes.
Personal information is never stored on anything, and no one have the right to do that. Okay.
I mean their ID.
Yes, the ID is there, means cookies which are dropped in the system. Okay. They will identify that system as a system only, not as a person. Okay. Whatever
Okay, sir.
interest is coming. The reason here is like whatever audience are coming here, you can use this audience for retargeting campaign. Again, you have to start a campaign called as remarketing campaign. Okay. In that campaign, just come directly to audience and you have to select only this audience, not any other audiences.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so don't select any other audiences. Come directly, set up the campaign completely. Come here and only select this option, how they're interacted. So once you click on that, you will get different segments. Okay, whether they came from social media, they came from paid ads or something, all segmentations will be there in this. You just select all of them.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so once you selected it, whenever the audience is increasing in that, that will show ads only to those members, not to everyone.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, your combined audience segmentation. Come down. Here also you can combine whatever segment you want. As you have not run, right? Once we start running that, you can add it. Just click on that option.
Sir,
Yeah.
for remarketing, again, we need to do the settings we kept already.
Yes, yes, yes. That is a different. Now, as of now, we are setting a campaign to like
Yeah,
traffic to your website, right?
yeah.
This campaign is related only to traffic to the website, driving people to our website. Okay.
Okay.
When it is remarketing, again we have to start one more campaign and we have to name it as remarketing. That is the reason
And
I
we
said
can
like,
click on same page, right? Or again, we need to open any other account.
what?
A new campaign.
It's only new campaign, not new account.
Oh, okay.
Okay. In this itself, you can create n number of campaigns. Okay.
Okay.
There is no need of any new account. It is only one account we'll have,
Oh, okay. Sir.
but
Thank you.
different campaigns. Okay. Thank you. So here you can select the segments, whatever you want. Initially, you are selecting some segmentation, right, individually. If you're not interested like that, you can come here and you can search for the segmentation and you can use it directly.
Um, like age or location or language.
No,
Um,
just type something there. You have to press enter.
okay, sorry.
No problem. So when you're typing itself, you'll get it. If not, you can just select enter. Okay.
Or
Or else you
match
can
in
come.
your.
Yes. Here you have, see, whatever you are having here. Previously, you have selected all these things, right?
Yes, sir.
Select all these. And again, whatever is there in the browse, like it's a combined audience. Okay. I want to target those people and as well as these people. Here, you can select the option for remarketing options also. Okay. Because what happens sometimes, people tends to forget to create a remarketing campaign. Okay. So in such scenarios, you can use this option. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But at least one campaign you have to do. The reason is next time again you are creating for sales, one campaign for sales. Okay. For that sales campaign also, what you have to do, you have to come and you have to keep this combined audience. In that you have to select the remarketing option also. Okay. How people interacted to your website. Then that new ad will also shown to those members. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Go back. Any doubts, others? Shirisha, Manjula, Tejasvi. Anyone is having any doubt? Just 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Shruti, am I
Huh?
only you can't hear anything?
Sorry.
Is sir explaining the class?
No. He said 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. So now you got this audience option, right? Completely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come down. Here you are seeing, right, target settings from the campaign. Target narrow the each of your segment campaign to selected segments with the option to adjust the bids. And this is observations. Just as when you're starting, right, you can just click on the recommended one only. Just keep your mouse on the question mark and read that once.
Do you want me to read or ask Deepthi to read, sir?
Yes, Deepthi, can you read that?
The targeting settings options let you control how different targeting methods works. Targeting allows you to narrow the reach of your ads to only show to specific audience or on specific content you have selected. Observation monitors how your ad performs on your selected placements, topics, or audience without affecting the reach of your ads. Either setting let you set custom bids or bid adjustments to fine tune the changes of ads showing for the selected targeting.
What do you understand here? Again, go to the question mark. See, the targeting setting options lets you control how different targeting methods work. Okay, the first one is targeting, allows you to narrow the reach of your ad to only show the specific audience or on specific content you have selected. This means what the option is, like once you select only targeting, okay, then your ads will be shown only to them, not to anyone else. Okay, so whatever audience you have selected, that one only you can see, not more than that. So observations is like, even though if you are selecting your audience, okay, monitor how your ad performs on your selected placement topic or audience without affecting the reach of your audience. So what happens, for example, now you have selected education, okay, but it will also show to people who are related to technology. Okay, the reason is it will see how people are reacting with your ad or in the past how they have reacted. Okay, so the reason is what you can get from this is you'll get the right audience, either that or this, but it's always advisable to keep targeting only if if you're having low budget. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now calm down. Now you're seeing the budget and bidding. Yeah. So here budget, just click on that option, select your daily average. What you can see there?
Cost of each country.
Currency. Okay.
Currency,
What is the
sorry.
currency type? So you have to select which type of currency you're looking into. Okay. The thing is, actually, when you are setting up the account itself, you might be given, if it is India, INR, or if you want other things, you can use it. Whether if you want to spend in dollars or in Indian rupees. Okay. That will be there at the time of setting itself. Now here you can give the budget how much you want to set, and set your average daily budget for this campaign. Means how much you'll give. So for example, if you are using 10,000, 10,000 divided by 30 days, it is called as how much you'll get per day.
334.
You can just give like this. Okay. And the reason here is now when you're selecting this average, some days it will go above 334 or less than 334, but it will not cross 10,000. Okay, the overall budget. Sometimes if people are interacting more with your ad, then Google will take the liberation, like they will spend more on that day, and next day it will reduce that budget. Okay, it will make sure it will not cross the overall budget. That means your overall budget will be 10,000. Okay, on the right side you can see that one, right? For the month you want to pay more than your daily budget times the average number of days in a month. Some days you might spend less than your daily budget, and on others you might spend the twice as much as you can. Okay, but overall amount it will not cross 10,000. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come down. What do you this thing we have already discussed, right? Will anyone remember?
Our target is clicks
Hmm.
because we need leads to our page.
Hmm. Yes. And that is the main option what we have done selected initially. Okay, most of the time we will select some option at the start, and after that again we'll select some option here. Okay, here impression share I have said, right, how many times you want to show your ad. Most of the time here that comes under impression share, but now we have selected clicks. Just click select the option clicks. Come down. If you here I said one option here, do anyone remember that?
A low bidding thing, right? From Excel.
Yes, you have to start with the low numbers. Okay, if you are not unchecking that one, right, set a maximum cost for that. If you don't do that, right, your amount will get exhausted immediately. It will take higher budget just to attend clicks only. Okay, click on that and just give. I don't want to spend more than 3 rupees per click. Okay, 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupee, anything based on that. If the campaign is not performing, then again you have to come and you have to change the bids here. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
So now everyone have access to the systems, right? Everyone have access. I will just give 5 minutes. Okay, just everyone go to your Google browser and search this option. Okay, people who are having, at least try to read on that. Bidding, what is the bidding types? Because anyhow if I am giving assignment, if people are not doing, just click on bidding, go to Chrome and just search what are the bidding types in Google. Everyone has to do. Google Ads. I'll just give 5 minutes time. Okay, you just do your research, and I'll ask you what you have learned from that. Everyone has to try from their systems. Okay, just give me 5 minutes in that. Any update? Priti, just share this URL in the group so that everyone will search the same page. So everyone just open this page and just read these terminologies, because all these terminologies I have discussed in the previous classes also. Has anyone remembered these terminologies? ROAS, maximum conversions.
ROAS, I heard it in the first class.
Yes, straight from the first time onwards, I'm saying. So these terminologies are very, very important. Okay, interview questions, people will ask this question. Damn sure question is this one, people will ask. Can you just say the bidding strategies? What type of bidding strategies you will follow? Okay, so at that time of time, you have to answer like this. So there are 5 types of bidding strategies. Target, cost per action, which is called as CPA. Not target you just mentioned, just say them. CPA, cost per action. Okay, ROAS, return on ad spend. Maximize conversions, maximize conversion value, enhance cost per click. These are the terminologies mostly. You have to say them. And considering your goal, this is just read that, then you'll understand whatever I'm saying now. Until unless you don't do your homework assignment, you will not understand anything. But once you understand this, right, you will become the best digital marketer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just come down little. Here there are 2 things are there: maximize clicks and manual CPCBT. Okay, and after that, so many options are there. Just read this page completely. Make sure that tomorrow if I'm coming and asking you, you should answer any question from this page.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I may ask anyone.
Sir.
Whoever will answer the right answer from this page, right? I make sure that I will assign one more interview for you from a big company. Okay, from an MNC company. I make sure that you'll get an interview call from that company. After that, it depends upon you whether you will get selected or not, because you have to show your efforts in that. Okay, I'm making your efforts easier to get an interview call from that company. Okay, is the deal okay or not?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it's a, see, one more thing again I'm telling you, it's a big company. Once you are not utilizing that option the right way, you will not have the option to go for the company for the next 1 year again. Okay, keep that in mind, because these companies, if once the person got rejected, they will not hire them for a period of 6 months to 1 year. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. Read this page several times and try to understand. If you are not able to understand, just again you can reach out to me, or in the class tomorrow also we can discuss. But don't say tomorrow we're saying that we don't understand anything from this page. Okay, if you're not able to understand, just ping me. You can ask me in WhatsApp or in the group. Okay, that is more important. So how many of the people want to give an interview in a big company? Only Alia,
Can I
Deepti.
stop sharing my screen, sir?
Okay, its time is completed, right?
No, my screen. Just the screen. Viewing screen.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, this is the option what you'll be getting. I think that Shruti will not forget any steps here, as she is doing by her own hands, right?
Yes, sir.
I want others also. Tomorrow, what we'll do? Who are going to share the screen tomorrow? Because I can open and I can share from my side, but people are not being more attentive on that. So you people don't understand what you're seeing and what you are observing. If I make you people to do all these things, you'll get more. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
Right, sir.
I'm giving the practical exposure to you. Okay, it is not only theoretical. I'm directly giving you the practical exposure. If you are having practical exposure, right, you tend to learn more faster. Okay, and we'll catch up tomorrow again. I want everyone to create the account, try all these options, and whatever page we have shared, right? Alia, just keep that page with you and share it with everyone. And I want everyone to read that page multiple times. And tomorrow I'm going to ask the question. Whoever says the right answer will get, I will make sure that they'll get a call from a big company. Okay. The answer should be exactly 100% right. Then only you'll get option from that company, because I don't want to misuse that options to you. Okay. By end of the training, you'll get the call.
That's so good of you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I think only
Thank you, sir.
Shruti is more interested in that. What about others? Sirish is also interested.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But try your luck. Okay. It's not even luck. It's only hard work. Do remember. Okay. Try to read that page several times. Just spend at least 2 to 3 hours today and make sure everything you will get it. Okay. If you are not getting anything, just ping me in the WhatsApp group. I will help you. But tomorrow, don't say that we didn't understand anything from that page. Okay. Because those points were all discussed multiple times. Whenever we created that account, that time also I have shown. When Akhilesh has asked that question, that time also I have shown that options. Okay. Have a great day and we'll meet tomorrow.
You too, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
But make sure to
Thank
be
you,
on
sir.
time. Okay. Everyone should be on time.
Okay, sir.
And don't
Yes,
miss
sir.
this
Okay,
golden
sir.
opportunity. Okay. Again, we'll not get that opportunity.